Foundation. Foundation. It gives your skin an even tone. Concealer. Concealer. It hides dark circles and spots. Powder. Powder. It sets your makeup in place. Blush. Blush. It adds color to your cheeks. Bronzer. Bronzer. It gives a sun-kissed glow. Highlighter. Highlighter. It makes your face shine. Eyeshadow. Eyeshadow. It adds color to your eyelids. Eyeliner. Eyeliner. It defines your eyes. Mascara. Mascara. It makes your lashes look long. Lipstick. Lipstick. It adds color to your lips. Lip gloss. Lip gloss. It makes your lips shiny. Lip liner. Lip liner. It shapes your lips. Primer. Primer. It prepares your face for makeup. BB cream. BB cream. It is a light skin cover. CC cream. CC cream. It corrects skin color. Tinted moisturizer. Tinted moisturizer. It hydrates with light coverage. Setting powder. Setting powder. It keeps makeup matte. Eyebrow pencil. Eyebrow pencil. It fills in the eyebrows. Eyebrow gel. Eyebrow gel. It keeps brows in shape. Brow pomade. Brow pomade. It darkens and shapes brows. Brow powder. Brow powder. It softly fills the eyebrows. Brow wax. Brow wax. It holds brows in place. Eye primer. Eye primer. It helps eyeshadow stay longer. Lash curler. Lash curler. It curls your eyelashes. False eyelashes. False eyelashes. They make lashes thicker. Lash glue. Lash glue. It sticks false lashes in place. Makeup sponge. Makeup sponge. It blends makeup smoothly. Beauty blender. Beauty blender. It blends foundation perfectly. Angled brush. Angled brush. It shapes brows or lines eyes. Blending brush. Blending brush. It blends eyeshadow nicely. Powder brush. Powder brush. It applies loose powder. Fan brush. Fan brush. It applies highlighter softly. Kabuki brush. Kabuki brush. It blends powders well. Lip brush. Lip brush. It applies lipstick neatly. Spoolie brush. Spoolie brush. It combs brows or lashes. Eyeshadow palette. Eyeshadow palette. It includes many colors. Contour palette. Contour palette. It shapes the face. Shimmer powder. Shimmer powder. It adds sparkle to your skin. Matte foundation. Matte foundation. It gives shine-free skin. Liquid eyeliner. Liquid eyeliner. It draws sharp eye lines. Gel eyeliner. Gel eyeliner. It creates bold lines. Pencil eyeliner. Pencil eyeliner. It draws soft eye lines. Cream eyeshadow. Cream eyeshadow. It applies smoothly. Metallic eyeshadow. Metallic eyeshadow. It gives a shiny look. Nude lipstick. Nude lipstick. It looks natural. Red lipstick. Red lipstick. It adds bold color. Matte lipstick. Matte lipstick. It has no shine. Satin lipstick. Satin lipstick. It feels soft and smooth. Holographic gloss. Holographic gloss. It changes color in light. Liquid lipstick. Liquid lipstick. It dries matte on the lips. Lip balm. Lip balm. It moisturizes lips. Lip scrub. Lip scrub. It removes dead skin from lips. Face primer. Face primer. It smooths the skin. Pore minimizer. Pore minimizer. It reduces visible pores. Makeup fixer. Makeup fixer. It keeps makeup in place. Pressed powder. Pressed powder. It reduces shine on the go. Face oil. Face oil. It nourishes the skin. Face serum. Face serum. It treats skin problems deeply.